These guided meditations are brought to you for free. If you enjoy them and would like to support the channel so that we can continue to create more and better content, please feel free to buy me a coffee on www.buymeacoffee.com/Raph or APH. That's buymeacoffee.com/Raph or APH. Thank you so much for your support. Hello, dear friend, and welcome to day 21 of our 30-day Transcendence Meditation Challenge. Yesterday, we explored the concept of unconditional love. If you've missed that session or any of the previous ones, I will link the playlist in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're alerted when we post new meditations. My name is Raphael, and it is an honor to be your guide as we continue this journey together. Today, we will explore the theme of unity of all. This concept reminds us that everything in the universe is interconnected. Our individual selves are part of a much larger, intricate web of life. In today's meditation, we will connect with this sense of unity, recognizing our shared existence with all beings and the universe itself. Let us begin this meditation with open hearts and open minds, ready to feel the profound connection that binds us all. Find a comfortable and peaceful place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes, and let's start by taking some deep, conscious breaths. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in the energy of the universe. And as you breathe out, release any feelings of separation or isolation. With your next breath, envision a luminous energy at the heart center. This energy represents your life force, your essence. Feel it pulsating, vibrant and alive. Now, visualize this energy expanding beyond yourself, reaching out to connect with the energy of others, your loved ones, friends, acquaintances, and even people you have never met. Imagine these connections as threads of light, creating a beautiful, intricate web. expand this vision further. See your energy connecting with all forms of life on Earth. The animals, the plants, the oceans, and the land. Feel the deep interconnection of all these forms of life, each an essential part of the whole. Now, let this interconnected web of energy expand even further, reaching out into the cosmos. Feel your connection with the planets, the stars, the entire universe. In this moment, you are a part of a vast, living cosmos, sharing in its wonder and majesty. In this space of unity, feel the barriers between you and the rest of existence dissolve. There is no other, there is only us, a shared being, a collective consciousness. Rest here for a few moments, basking in the profound peace and unity of all existence. as we begin to conclude our meditation, start to bring your awareness back to your physical self, back to the room you are in, while maintaining a sense of connection to the unity of all. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to the present moment, carrying with you this deep sense of interconnectedness. Thank you for joining me in today's meditation on the unity of all. This understanding of our interconnectedness is a powerful tool for compassion, empathy, and harmony in our lives. If today's meditation has inspired you and you wish to delve deeper into these concepts, remember that our full Transcendence Meditation Challenge, available at an 80% discount, offers further exploration into the interconnectedness of life and the universe. For today, please reflect on how this sense of unity can influence your perspective and actions. How does feeling connected to everything change how you interact with the world? Journal about this important concept and let me know how this resonates with you in the comment section below. I hope you will join me tomorrow for day 22 as we explore integrating transcendence. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss that important session tomorrow. And until then, may you feel the unity and connection with all beings in every moment of your life. Keep shining. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.